We are back in the Acme workspace. Let's say Acme has just finished annual planning, and I'm an employee who wants to take a closer look at the company goals. As you can see, these goals are sorted by priority, and there are quick filters for theme, department, and status. If I want to see only the goals that are about hitting revenue targets, that's just a couple of clicks away. And when I explore the data with these quick filters, I'm only changing my view of the goals, not anyone else's. Before, this wasn't possible. Applying a filter like this would change the view for everyone else. Company goals are central to everyone at the company, so I probably don't want to do that lightly. Quick filters make this type of nuance possible. Now, it would be really useful for everyone at Acme to be able to filter by priority, so let's add a filter for that. Again, when I change the configuration in this way, I'm only altering my view of this database. But filtering by priority will be generally useful for other people, so I'm going to hit this Save for Everyone button to make this priority quick filter something that everyone else can see and use. I'm on a roll and thinking through what else would be helpful for me and my team. I love a view of company goals grouped by department, so let's quickly add that. To do that, I'll click Add View and give that view a name. I'll also make a couple of these properties visible on each card so you can see more information at a glance. Now, I'll set the grouping to View by Department, and this really shows off another big change. All the configuration options for your view are now in this one simple panel, neatly organized and easily accessible. As you can see, we've changed the way you can switch between views for easier access. Each view appears as a tab here. Now, it's quick for me to switch from the group department view we just created to the full list of goals. So what's next? I'd love for the marketing team to have a view of just its team's goals on the marketing homepage in Notion, so it's easy for them to reference all the time. So let's go ahead and do that. I'll create a linked view using a handy slash command. I'll look up our company goals database here because that's the data I want to pull into this page. Here, we refer to this as the data source. As you can see, I can now choose which view I want to place here, not just the whole database. This is new for us too. For now, I'll go with the All Goals view. Now, when I do this, the database you see here is synced to the one I just showed you on our company goals page. It's not a copy, it's actually the same database. So whatever changes I make to the actual goals it contains will also show up everywhere this database is linked. Now that I have it here on the marketing page, I can make a few clever edits so that this looks good and works the way I want it to. I can hide the original database name if I want, and then I can set the department to marketing to filter for just this team's goals. Again, we'll click Save for Everyone so that this view persists for everyone who views this page. Now everyone on the marketing team and their collaborators have a single source of truth to reference that will always be connected to the whole company's goals. Looking at this, it's clear I don't need all of these quick filters, so let's remove them like this. I would, however, love to be able to filter for just the goals assigned to me as an individual. In fact, I want it to be easy for all of my colleagues on marketing to be able to quickly view the same. To do this, I will first add a new filter to filter by the owner property. Since I do want everyone to have this ability, I'll save the changes for everyone. Now I can go back to this new quick filter and select Me from the menu. Me will be different for every single person on my team. As you can see, this shows me only the goals that I'll be driving. Likewise, my colleague Olivia can activate this filter to see only the goals she'll be driving. Now that we've done all this, let's revert back to our original view. Just click Reset. It's that simple. This was a pretty quick tour, but I hope it gives you a good sense of how better databases let you filter, slice, and dice data in new ways and allow you to keep more of your information connected across pages and teams.